Yo, what's up traders? Welcome back to another video. I hope you had a wonderful weekend, with the Easter thing. Now, let's get back to business. So, want to look at a trade I took yesterday. It was awesome. It was a very good trade. No problems. Get in, get out. So, let's look at the Japanese yen. This is Monday. Easter Monday. So I did not trade on Monday because, I was celebrating Easter Monday. But on Tuesday, that is when I took the trade. So this is what happened on Monday. It was just a very big trend. Very big trend. Now, Monday of course sets the high and the low of the week. So, the process is still the same. We are looking for the pump and dump setup in the 15-minute time frame, and then now we can scale down to the 1-minute time frame and look at the first hour, how it behaves, buying low, selling high. Now, this is the high of the week, this is the low of the week. So yesterday, prior to the first hour, this is what I was looking at. The market, is just, there is just expanding ranges. Yes, expands ranges. So, just as in the book, Mind of a Market says, the best setups fly in the most recent activity. As you can see, the most recent activity was this dump. Alright? So in my mind, I'm telling myself, yesterday we had a very big move, so today might continue even higher. But you don't know until you see what the market has done. So this is still the 15-minute time frame. The market comes down to the double zeros. In one push, two push, three push to the low, fails to break that low. So in my mind, I know this might be a support. And then during the gap time, they break structure. They break structure. So I'm looking for a retest and then a continuation. Now, in the first hour, the market gives us this. Well, it's not really a setup because, first of all, I know what I'm looking for. And as you can see, I had already plotted this path because the market, I wanted the market to come down, then come down again to the low, then give us our setup. Let's see what the 1-minute time frame gave us. So it's all about understanding what you want from the market. Now, the market gave us, it did not go back to the low. But after 9:30, they gave us this M pattern, break of structure, retest, then engulfment. Now, this was my entry. After this engulfment here, this was my entry because when I'm trading the currencies, I don't have a lot of risk. That is, from my entry to below the low of the day. It's around 20 pips. But I was risking about 15 pips for 30 pips. A risk-reward ratio of 1:2, which went pretty well because my target was just this 00. Oh yeah, this 00, the 50. So guys, when you know what you're looking for, it does not matter. Well, it does not really matter. All you have to do is just go look for the confirmation. Now, let me show you another example in gold, and maybe we'll look at Nasdaq. They did not give us very good setups yesterday, but I want to show you how you can differentiate. So as you can see, we have the previous day's high, the previous day's low, and the market gave us a nice pump to the high. And then during the London session, they broke structure, then retested, gave us the engulfment, and started falling down. But what I'm looking for is actually, can you see, this is currently Asia forming. Do you see the way it's pumping up? Now, if I see this pump, the way it has pumped here, pump, break of structure, retest, then this is the target. Again, pump. Well, it will not come back, but again, this might go up, pump. Then, I don't want a lot of all this jibba jabba. I want something that is clear. Now, this is the difference between clear. You see pump, then they work the low, then break structure, retest, continuation. Simple. Now, Nasdaq yesterday, for those who are trading the continuation, really had a good setup. As you can see, there was this pump the previous day, but in my head, it did not give me the best setup, because when I see this dump, a very quick dump, then I know probably they will come back later. So as you can see, even before all this formed, this was my thesis. They come back to the low or to this 00, then continue higher, which, well, they did eventually when they came in 1 push, 2 push, 3 push to the low, then another stop hand to, well, this is a breakout pullback continuation. So this was a broken down market, but I was not very comfortable getting in. The pound. Still, they did not give me very great setups. Although this was a pump, break of structure, retest, continuation. This is not a very good setup, although it's a pump. So, guys, the more you continue looking at the markets, the more you will see these patterns. So, let us go back to the Japanese yen and solidify a few things. So, first things first, the 15-minute time frame is for identifying the larger setup, so that when you go to the 1-minute time frame, you are not confused, because there will be a lot of noise. Yes, a lot of noise in the 1-minute time frame. So, as you can see, even though the market went up, this is a bigger picture move for me. So this is day 1. Day 2 was just a consolidation. Day 3 might continue higher, give us another pump and dump for a considerable fall. Or we can see them coming back again on Thursday or Friday. So this is day 1. Day 2 was actually just an inside bar, because this is where they opened, this is where they closed. Let's see in the daily time frame. They failed to break above the previous day's high. So guys, it's all about understanding the pump and dump setup. Now, even in the daily time frame, you can see now we are trading the most recent data. So we have this pump, 3 pushes to the high, then they come down again. We have another pump. I don't know how it's going to form, but as you can see, this is an inside day. 1, 2, 3, then an inside bar. Let's see what might happen. Look at, say for example, this pump in 1 push, 2 push, 3 push to the high, break of structure, retest. What else are you expecting? They're coming back to this where the pump began. Anyway, go look at your own setups, go look at your chart, just observe how the pump and dump setup forms, and trade lifetime. This is the only way you're going to build up confidence, and you will see things for yourself. Me, I'm trying to open up your eyes to new possibilities. It is your own responsibilities to actually consume my knowledge and integrate it with your own experience. That is the only way you are going to make it in this game. Otherwise, if you expect to be spoon-fed everything, or you expect to trade like me in every single aspect, then you're lying to yourself. You're lying to yourself. Anyway, hopefully I cleared up some fog in someone's mind. If you have any question, comment below. I am now available to answer questions. And yeah, see you in the next video. Stay disciplined, stay focused.